But we're fun tonight. They're a good time, nigga. Don't get no numbers. Fuck them tonight, bring them to town. You don't want nothing tonight.
I don't trust me with these hoes. I switch them like my clothes. Take my drawers off, man. I'm fucking with these hoes.
That nigga killed it.
Now, dog. I'm on zone right now, like.
Before you even said it, oh shit, smoke alone?
That's a tell blow it out. Give me a help. Give me a towel.
The smoking room. Take the iron off. The iron, yo. That's not the blunt.
The eyes giving the smoke.
No, nigga. It's not the fucking smoke that's setting it off. It's the heat. Nothing's on fire because of smoke.
This nigga said explain it.
It's a smoky room. Why can't I smoke? It's because the iron was on. You never left the iron on and you set that long?
Open the window or something.
You can't.
Yeah, I'm about to say. Let it go off right now.
Take the battery out, dude. Take the battery out.
Take the battery out.
Pull it. Pull it. Pull it.
How you even pull it?
Pull it.
Yeah, I'm not pulling shit. Is it right on there? Nah.
Why that shit won't go?
That nigga booked it.
Keep going to the night.
The fuck? Yeah, go get room service, yo.
Oh shit.
Yo, go get somebody, yo. Shit ain't about to be going up all night.
Nigga, we can't do that.
Is there another one? Oh, I think that's the whole building, B. That's somebody put the fire alarm outside. That's the whole building. Alright, we gotta get out. That's a building, yo.
Y'all got keys? Time. Where my car keys at? Shit.
Get my keys, yo. Get my keys.
We gotta head out. Which way?
Yo.
This is the first time. This is the first time we gotta come out. I don't know, man.
Who got a key? You got your key?
Yeah.
Yo, the building on fire.
Let's head out.
They did this shit on purpose, G.
Fucking with a nigga like.
You got your keys, though?
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Yeah, man.
Let's go right there. You put it on?
Yo, man. This shit is...
The building
Like,
is on
nigga,
fire.
you don't understand? I'm fucked up as a bitch and I'm like...
I'm going back to my room.
Nah, we can do Uber.
I'm going back to my room, B. Yo, see that? You sure you gotta keep it?
This nigga running.
Oh, okay, you going outside. I'm going out. This nigga still
Turn this shit off.
Why would they do that tonight? I'm going to get my shit.
Yo, bro, we at the motherfucking Samsung.
What's going on, man? You was going in.
It's fucked up on my
Yo, y'all got your money for the club? Y'all got
I think it still ain't changed yet. I'm still recording this shit. Hey, you took apart the whole
Like, yo, it's a
smoke
smoking
detector.
room. Why the fuck is that alarm going off?
I
Like
told
that?
y'all that when I was
This nigga said the smoke alarm going off. That nigga trying to blow that shit. The smoke alarm going off.
Yo, man, it was your fault too.
Yo, see, why you picked this one down?
No, I said, let's go across the street today. Fucking man, first nigga said, nah, it's cheap in here. Yo, let's go check across the street, son. He said, nah, man.
The smoke alarm going off. We shoot at dumbass. That nigga blew that shit. Oh, he must have pulled it. He said, get down, give me 50.
My man, bro, he outside. He said, fuck that. Where we going?
Where we going?
Oh, what's that, my bro?
Oh, shit.
Ain't shit. These niggas talking about going.
We good, man.
Oh, yeah. That's what
Yeah.
What else, Spence?
Alright. Yo. That was the
Yo, I
funniest
think
shit
that
ever.
nigga still lit. It was still, I just dropped it.
What, the boy? What they gonna do? Arrest me because I said
No, it's gonna burn. It's gonna burn away. What the fuck? It's gonna burn the sheets and shit.
man, yo.
Nigga, I know you ain't put it on the sheets.
I'll drop.
That nigga dropped that shit quick. That nigga dropped the blunt.
That nigga said, oh, it's a fire.
Oh, it's a 5. You gonna be the reason why I take catching a 5, man. Room 324. Who? Hold on. Whose name is that?
Mr. Adams.
Like, yo, that shit was in there when I got
I'm
here.
glad. I need reimbursement for my shirt, nigga. $50. You see the tag in there, like.
Oh, shit.
What's going on? I wanna go club, dude. What is
I'm like, yeah, bitch, I need 50 bucks. Alright, the alarm's off. So, like these
Where you
niggas can't wait.
going? This shit blow up.
finish what I was doing?
These tall ass niggas come out. Y'all know y'all ain't going in.
I'm about to do the old school J.
Walking P, man.
Yo, I ain't gonna see
Go ahead, man, dog.
Is that fucking fire tomorrow?
Yep.